guys, here we go. I'm here taking another one for the team, guys. The original mechanic's not here. This is a throttle body, a new one, guys. The problem is, this is a new throttle body. It was installed, I think, about 3 months ago, guys. You can't keep replacing throttle bodies, guys. Even with that code, the lightning bolt is on again, and all the codes point toward this throttle body. The problem is, guys, if you see oil inside your throttle body like that, that is the problem, guys. That will give you more problems. You will eventually 3-4 months from now have to replace this throttle body. So my biggest issue here is addressing the underlying issue, guys. This car actually likely have some PCV issues. I'm going to go talk to somebody and explain to them how we have to address these issues, or we're going to keep getting throttle body codes and replacing throttle bodies. The only reason we're replacing it is because it's under warranty, because we just replaced it within a year ago. So, but I'm not just going to blindly replace a throttle body and not address the issue, guys. Address the issue, or you're going to have another recheck. Shorts. Alrighty, guys, I'm sure y'all saw all of those hashtag shorts videos. Alright, this is what I just installed. Alright, in fact, this is not that old. In fact, it's fairly new. Alright, now, but however, it is setting code for TPS and throttle codes and things like that. And the light is on. The lightning bolt light is on, signaling there's some airflow issues somewhere. Now, this is what I want you guys to look at. This is a long video, all right? I did enough shorts videos on this. You see the smoke coming out here, guys? See how it just stopped? Okay, let me give it a second. I got my cap barely on. Look at that, dancing around in there, guys. That's that pressure. That's that pressure buildup, guys. Now the PCV valve is right here. Turn out it's already been replaced. Look at that. Anytime you get smoke out of the dipstick, guys, that's a problem. In fact, it's blow by, okay? Excessive blow by. So that oil that y'all saw in this intake manifold, it's going to accumulate back in there. You know what's going to happen? It's going to ruin this brand new, can y'all see it down there? Yeah, brand new throttle body we just put on. Only because the throttle body that I put on was under warranty. Alright, but yeah, this car, that's what I'm saying. Somebody has to put their foot down, because we're going to keep replacing these. We can't. There's a reason these fail for the second and third time. Now, first time, yeah, I give it 100,000 miles. That's typical lifespan of, I don't know, throttle body. But yeah, this build up right there, that is pressure inside the crankcase. The PCV valve is designed to relieve that pressure. This is called positive crankcase ventilation, guys. Okay, it's sucking air out of this valve cover, out of the crankcase, and see this hose is routing back to the intake manifold to burn those vapors at a later time, at a predetermined time. Okay, so but look at this. See how it just stopped? And it's gonna start back up in a second, but sometime pressure just build up. And then could it be this PCV valve working sometime? This is new, by the way. All right, somebody put this on. I don't know, whenever they did the oil change, but it's not doing anything. This car has a lot of miles on it. All right, so guys, I want to suspect rings, piston rings. Like I say, it's a high mileage car. This smoke. Can y'all see that? Yeah, it's literally smoke being pushed out of the oil pan. And that pressure build up. It's not just dancing around because the engine is running, guys. The engine's not vibrating at all. That is a lot of freaking hose. Oh, watch this. See, I mean, you should have a little bit, not that much. That is just blow by. That's pressure being pushed out of the. If I have a smoking, I had smoke coming over here to be blowing everywhere. So that is excessive. Now you're gonna get some, but not that much. So this engine has blow by, high mileage. It's about had it. We don't really make repairs deep into the engine like that. We talking piston rings and things like that. So no, only thing I can recommend for this customer based off this smoke coming out here, new PCV valve, oil accumulating in the throttle body. No, actually oil is accumulating in the intake manifold, which making it to the throttle body and actually killing it. Remember when I pulled this out, guys, I had oil all in here. That oil is likely making it to this motor, guys. This is a ETC, electronic throttle control, I want to say. All right, so if oil making on this electrical mechanism, yeah, this thing could show up as fail. You might have high voltage, low voltage, you might have crazy voltage, but oil getting in here along with that high pressure, along with the fact that the PCV valve trying its best to do its thing and it's not, yeah, so we're gonna need an engine on this thing. So I wanted to update you guys because I know y'all been following those shorts, and everybody was asking me what was the problem. Was it the PCV? I yelled out PCV prematurely. Yes, a PCV would cause that. If your crankcase is not being ventilated properly, yeah, you would get symptoms like this. But again, this whole nothing is restricted. This line to the intake manifold and this new PCV valve is all clear and working as designed. It's being overworked. Okay, it's internal engine problems, guys. All right, you probably can do a compression test and you may have some irregularities, but yeah, I'm not gonna waste a lot more time on this. It's high mileage car, and I don't know, I'll let them make the call, but I need an engine. I'm gonna write up an engine. Yeah, it's the one that's not smoking. That stuff is basically being pushed out of there. Where'd my cap go? Yeah, that cap, I know you're supposed to screw it down, but yeah, it's that pressure trying to push that out. So if I block this off, I might get a lot of smoke out of there, but I don't want to cause any more. I'm done with this car. So that's all I have, guys. I just wanted to update you guys. There's nothing I can do for this engine or for the repairs. It got a new throttle body. Hey, so we'll see what happens. Well, I'm done with my part, so I'll keep y'all up to date, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.